It's Cyber Monday, and not only does our 50% off Black Friday sale end at midnight, it's the last day to sign up for the best spoken English and accent training course on the planet. Rachel's English Academy has been open for over 8 years. 2,965 days to be exact, but today is the last day. Tomorrow, when you go to rachelsenglishacademy.com, you'll not be able to sign up. You'll only be able to join the wait list for our next opening. I'm closing the doors because I really want to focus on you, on this set of students, because I'm developing some brand new lessons to help students reach their accent goals even faster, and I'm pretty excited about it. Many lessons are already there, and I want to work on adding to this new program. I want to focus on you, my students. The new program is in addition to the 600 videos and thousands of audio training files that already exist in the Academy. This is also in addition to the community group, where you can get feedback from our teachers. The Academy also gets you live classes with me once a month. Our training has already helped over 40,000 students reach their English speaking goals, and it can help you too.
I signed up and I haven't stopped since then. And I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop because Rachel and her team, they gave me hope. The variety of courses, great. You can choose whatever you want. You don't like this, you can train with this. Well, you don't like this, you can train with that. You don't like that, well, you're gonna find something else. You don't like that something else, you're gonna try something else. There's no way you can't find something you like. My favorite is the soundboards. You literally have thousands and thousands of phrases and words. You can play, say it, play, say it, play, say it. You can download it and then you can just work out and then play, say it, play, say it. It never leaves you. That's the great thing.
If you've had enough of speaking English in non-standard patterns and with a makeshift accent, I would highly recommend joining the Rachel's English Academy. It could be game-changing for your communication.
So I am Egyptian and I always had this dream of having a good American accent because I have seen how this can impact my career. And I believe that my American accent has been improved a lot since I joined the Academy. Thank you, Rachel. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best.
An Academy member has access to a huge amount of content. There are courses covering every topic in American English pronunciation, from placement to all the sounds, rhythm, linking, stress, and more. Even better, I've just created a brand new learning path through the Academy content that will guide you step by step through each new concept in the best order for maximized improvement. Or if there's a specific concept that you know is your personal challenge, we have libraries of content you can work with to make progress on your own. By watching a video, you'll get information about a concept, but this Academy is about so much more than information. It's about learning with your body so you can create new habits and actually make real progress. So even though the Academy has over 600 videos, the real change happens with our thousands of audio files. And I give you the perfect method to use for this work. The play it, say it method. The play it, say it method is all about repetition, and as you play the files over and over, your ear starts to tell your body what changes to make without your brain doing anything or getting in the way. It's called body learning, and it's scientifically proven to make a difference. Each course has audio soundboards for you to practice with, so you can experience this body learning on every sound and concept. There is an enormous amount of content here, but the content is only half of what you get with an Academy subscription. You also get access to our teachers. Every student gets to join our private community where you can post a video and get teacher feedback.
Ruslan, good work here on your Module 6 challenge. Let's go through your video and I'll give you some feedback as we go.
Above, cousin, done.
So you're close.
Hi Mohammed, welcome to the Academy. Thank you for taking time to introduce yourself. My big piece of advice to everyone who's new in the Academy is to take advantage of the slow motion on the soundboards. So when you go to practice, start with play it, say it, in slow motion.
Hey Victor, it's Katie here with some feedback for you. Awesome job working on this conversation. And overall, I'm really hearing that linking. It sounds smooth and connected.
So maybe you're working on a sound or working on rhythm. A teacher is going to listen to you and give you personalized adjustments that will help you sound more natural and take the effort out of speaking. We also have drop-in hours with our teachers every week. You can join the online classroom, type your question in the chat, and a teacher will address your question in real time. You can even turn on your camera and work with the teacher to make sure you're fully understanding the teaching.
I move into the so my tongue will lift for that
Here. Here.
That's it. Here.
Right. So what's the difference with the word hear, like to hear something?
It's the same sound. It's just spelled differently. H-E-A-R versus H-E-R-E. Like I hear a sound here in my room.
You can ask questions in the community, but we also provide email support. Basically, if you have a question, we want to help answer it. So click the join button today. We have all the lessons that you need to understand every concept of American English pronunciation and to train a natural sound into your body. With the support of the community and the teachers, along with this material, you are unstoppable. We do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you get in there and you do the work and you decide this isn't working for you, no problem. Just send us an email, let us know you need a refund, and we'll do that, no questions asked. Also, if you purchase a subscription, you can cancel at any time. Please act fast. Act now. I don't want you to miss this chance because when you email me tomorrow to let you sign up for the Academy, I won't be able to. The 50% off sale and open enrollment ends tonight, Cyber Monday at midnight Pacific time. Actually, 11:59. I do not at this time know when we'll be accepting new students again, when we'll reopen our doors. So visit rachelsenglishacademy.com and click join today. Do it now and you get instant access to all of our courses and our community. I can't wait to see you there. That's it, and thanks so much for using Rachel's English.